Welcome. Today we'll guide you through using your Hanboost S2 Rotary tool. Without further ado, let's unbox now. Inside the box, you'll find your Hanboost S2 Rotary tool, accessories box with different type bits, a USB-C cable, and a handy storage box to keep everything organized. To begin, take pet nail attachment off. In case of the attachment is a bit tight, as small as tips as you can hold attachment and twist machine. Like this, then attachment will come out. Next step, twist the collet to left to unlock bit. Select the grinding bit you need and insert it into the collet, then twist the collet to right to lock the bit, always. Make sure it's secure before you run machine. To power on, press and hold the power button for about 1.5 seconds. The S2 is now ready to use. As you can see, there is only 3 buttons on this machine: power button to switch on and off, direction button to switch the direction you would love to rotate, and speed button, Hanboost S2. Features 6 adjustable speed levels. You can press the speed button to cycle through the settings. Now let's start to try different bits for our machine. As we can see, we have different types head and accessory box, and we pack them at separate bag or column. For example, we put grind bits at here, nail polishing set at here, sanding drum and cutting set at here. Anyway, let's start testing bits now. Firstly, we can try sanding drum set. Usually sanding drums are used to polish soft and hard materials, wood products and other decorations, as well as smooth surfaces and curved edges such as home decoration and artworks. It has 6 small size, 1 medium size, and 1 large size drum. You can pick size of drum you need for your sanding task. For wool felt set, it comes with 4 big size and 6 small size felts and 2 connect rod. Generally, it is used for polishing molds, glass, jewelry, non-metallic surface grooves, plastics, and other small parts. To install wool felt, just insert metal stick into felt and tighten it by twisting rod. Another important thing need to remind is whenever you use wool felt, make sure switch your rotary direction into R direction, otherwise your felt may fly out. Next, we can try the metal grinding set. It can be used for a variety of applications like sharpening blades, knives, scissors, chisels, and other cutting tools. Used to remove flash from metal castings, deburring any metal after cutting, smoothing welded joints, grinding off rivets, and removing rust. Furthermore, let's take a look at these 4 nail bits. This 4-bit is for nail grinding. Most of time, for example, pink cylinder Firestone, it is suitable for nail surface, sanding uneven parts. It is made of premium diamond particles and metal, used for drilling holes in rocks, glass, shells, ceramic, etc. Also grinding and carving for fieldstone, ceramics, glass, carbide, tile, marble, jewelry, rock, etc. Coming next, we can try cutting disc set. To install it, just simply unscrew the collet of connector rod, then put cutting disc inside and screw it. Make sure it is tightened before you put on the machine. Remember to pick right connector rod for your cutting disc. And also other things need to remind is, when you use cutting disc, make sure always choose R direction, which is right direction for cutting. Otherwise, the cutting disc may fly out same as wool felt did. Then let's check our jade drill set. It is made of premium diamond particles and metal, used for drilling holes in rocks, glass, shells, ceramic, etc. Also grinding and carving for fieldstone, ceramics, glass, carbide, tile, marble, jewelry, rock, etc. Finally, test will be our carving set. It is suitable for fieldstone, ceramics, glass, carbide, tile, marble, jewelry, rock. Also, meet all your demands for acrylic gel nails, dip powder nails, and poly nail gels. Overall, these bits are perfect for various hand tasks, DIY projects, light cutting, sanding, carving, and more, making it easy to handle your daily needs. At the end, to turn the tool off, press and hold the power button for 1.5 seconds again. Simple and safe. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope this video can solve your doubt. You can send email to support@hanboost.com if you still have any problem. Don't forget to check out our other products at website and follow our channel to get latest update.